Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word annunciated. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The professor enunciated the rules for the upcoming exam clearly to ensure all the students understood them. Enunciated means to proclaim or announce something clearly and distinctly, typically in a formal or authoritative manner, to make sure it is clearly understood. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.